people call themselves African American. It's either you are one or the other. I'm from London. Stop for me. You are not English. Well, even if you are from Dominican Republic, somebody brought you
with the protection of their gods. But everything is about to change. Here is the pot.
The pot must be put back in its place.
Forging a replica will only make the gods angry.
There has never been a record of anyone that goes to Yava and returns alive. You know that.
Good morning, chosen one.
Papa, let them take me away. I am Kinebo. I know my
Yes, my better country people, now still Wazobia TV be this one. And now for the premiere of the Antique. Now the movie now will come what today. And I did one gengetious, lady for the background. She go follow us Chukumat from top the matter. Madam, good evening. How are you day?
How you not day?
I did very well.
My day fine. I really enjoyed what I saw. It was very important for our people to have such a impactful, meaningful movie. Art history, African art history in particular, is not given the real, true, necessary promotion that it needs, because our art, our legacy is that art that everyone else has copied. Everyone else has built their own art from African art. So this was important for us to understand how important African art is and how important it is for us to hold it, keep it, not sell it, and keep it and build a legacy. So I want all my people, to hold on to your art, buy your art, keep your art fine, well, so that your Peking can have fine art for long. Okay.
Baba, how they happen now?
That's how they go. As you see they go, we just there, we just they represent. Yeah.
Now tell me now, the Antique, when you say, it kind of portray African tradition,
yeah.
the old Nigerian tradition, you believe in those kind of movies that we compared to other movies that they do, like normal contemporary movies.
Of course. You see the thing where they do filmmakers for this part, we say, we always want to do the thing where everybody they do, but like I always talk, whatever you they serve, if you like make it be a bar or not beans or anything, the thing that the packaging. So as these people try with them package them like this, the audience they go consumer one time.
Okay, now the Antique and a movie say portray the African culture and tradition. I don't ask people before and I won't ask you again now. Tell me, if you say this kind of people make well, based on saying now they see movies in contemporary movies, and this one talk about taking us way back. If you say go sell well compared to the contemporary ones what they see these days.
Yes, now this one different from all those ones where they see. Those ones where they see, you go see where and they enter playing. But this one they tell you about our culture, things where we not do, where we supposed to do, things where we do, where we need to they do they go. Now in this movie they talk about.
Now, for one side, the Antique, the movie, I get the Queen Airboat for the red carpet here, and she go follow us here as the things they happen. How you dey and how you take act that road?
I can't pay. Now God, I go for audition like how people they go audition. Now they come pick me say, this girl, you get talent, so I go nurture this your talent, the producer. Now you can't give me the role. Now God.
Tell us, for people who don't know you, me I know you. I beg, what's your name again?
My name na Kiki Omili. I be actor.
Yes, Kiki Omili, and she be actress for Obodo Naija. Now tell me, for this movie we can watch today, now tell me how you see the movie compared to movie you done see recently.
Me, I believe
production wise and every other thing like
yes, me, I believe so. We don't improve well. Oh. I mean, for the quality of the films that we dey see now for cinema. This particular film we watch finish, so we get 3 AMVCA nominations: best sound, best cinematography, and best lighting design. So all those things, are things where we say before we know they pay attention to, but now we dey pay attention to them. You know, reach to the nominate for award. So I think the standard they very high.
Come on, Africans! Yeah!